Maze Patrollers. So on the weekend it was rainy and we were so bored. So our dad took us to the toy shop and for something to do, and we bought a Magic 75 Mystifying Illusions magic set, and we had some fun doing some tricks, and we're going to show you them now.
Are you first up, Char?
First up.
All right, so Charlotte's going to start with her 3 cup and a ball trick. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, so I'm going to flip all these cups over here, and as you can see they're all flipped now. And I'm going to get this cotton ball here, this red cotton ball, and put it on top of this cup. Now I'm going to stack this cup, nothing in there, on top of this one. There's nothing under here. I'm going to stack it on top of this one. And with my magic wand, I am going to get the cotton ball from the middle to go through all the cups, and it's going to be under the first cup.
Are you ready? Are there any magic words we need to say?
Yes.
What is the magic word that we should say?
Abracadabra. Give it a good shove and voila.
Magic! Good job, Charlotte. You really have become quite the magician.
I have.
Hi guys, mine was gonna disappear out of my vase.
Too fast.
Oh my god.
What happens to all the water in the vase? Let's see. Where did it all go? Now say the magic words and it will be back in there. Abracadabra, and pour it in.
And pour it in.
Coco, that really is magic. Did you become a magician over the weekend?
Yes.
Good job.
I'm gonna practice it. Hi guys. So
What's your magic trick today, Harriet?
it's a book with blank paper, and I'm gonna
Plain notebook. And what are you going to do with your plain notebook?
I'm gonna turn it into some coloured pictures.
So show us your plain notebook with no pictures. Oh, yep. Looks like a plain notebook to me, no pictures. Now, how are you going to turn it into a book with pictures? Do you have a magic wand handy? Yes, you do. Say the magic words.
Abracadabra.
Okay, do we have some coloured pictures? Abracadabra and... Oh my goodness. That really is magic.
Hello everybody. So for my next magic trick, I'm going to need an assistant. Anybody?
Oh, look! We found an assistant, and what a good looking one he is.
Glenn is my assistant here, and he is going to pick a side in the dice and put it face up in the mystery box. Put the lid on and give it back to me, and I am going to try and guess what side he chose.
Okay.
So Glenn, if you would...
All right, no looking, Charlotte.
No?
Let's see what he picks. Yep. Okay, we've all got that. All right.
Okay, so now
the
it's
magic comes
time.
into play. Do we need the magic wand for this?
No, we do not actually. This is just a mind trick game thing. So, now what do you think? Is that in the box? I think maybe the purple square.
Dun dun dun. Was she correct?
OMG, that is absolutely correct.
Good job, Charlotte.
It's me again, and I'm going to do another trick. So
What have you got here, Harry?
some 5 items and
2 containers.
little lid, one bigger than the other, and the dice.
So 2 containers, 2 lids and a dice. Okay, and what does your assistant need to do?
She needs to put the dice in the little container with a number facing up, and then
So I
close
have
the
to choose a
lid.
number?
Yes.
Face it up?
Okay. All right, no looking, Harry, while she chooses the number. Look away. Charlotte, show us what you've chosen. Yep, okay, we think we can all see that.
Wait,
Okay, no, not done yet. Put the lid on nice and tightly.
Okay.
Okay, what are you going to do now, Harriet? She's chosen her number.
Yeah, I'm going to insert this.
Exactly.
Yep.
Alright. I don't think anything's in
There is
this
nothing inside the larger container.
box. I'll just double check it.
Okay, so what are we going to do? Put the small
No.
one in the larger one now?
I'm going to put that in there and then
Give it a shake, Charlotte.
in my pocket.
In my pocket.
Give it a shake.
And
Harriet Magician, do you know what number she placed in the container?
maybe.
Time will tell. Was your number 6, Charlotte?
It was.
Good job, Magician Harriet. So
Alright,
thanks
let's
guys for joining us
double-
for our magic
Let's
tricks.
double check that I definitely got 6.
That's amazing. That's incredible, really. So thank you for joining us today as we exhibit some of the tricks from the 70 Mystifying Magic Illusions, brought to you by a rainy weekend at our house.
Bye.
Say bye.